Today we will explain the value proposition canvas, how to use it. So we will always start with the customer side. We have two sides, customer side and the company side. We always start with the customer in mind. What is the job to be done? What is something that they feel like is needed to be done, is a job that needs to be done, is a problem that needs to be solved. For example, transferring money from one part to the other. Get a ride from A to B. Any job that needs to be done should be in here. Job to be done. So we can list here the jobs to be done for our customer that we have in mind. Then we need to understand what is the pain they have currently, what is something that they felt like is really frustrating them to get this job done. So what is the pain in getting this job done? We list out all the pain points that they have. Maybe it takes too much time. Maybe it takes too much effort. Maybe it's too costly, too much money. Maybe the experience they have with current existing providers is really a bad experience. Whatever the pain is to get this job done, we need to find it out. Then we need to understand what is the benefit, what is the gain they get if this job is done. So how does that work? What is the benefit they get if this job is done? So all those three things we need to explore throughout discovery interviews with the customer. Customer discovery interviews helps us to validate our assumptions. Because this is on the board and it's nice, but we need to get out of the building to validate our assumptions and to put some data there. The next step is that we need to understand what is the offer that we put in there. So what is our value proposition? What is the service or product that we have in mind to help them to get the job done? How do we help them to transfer money from A to B? How do we help them to get an easy transport from A to B? Whatever it is, what is the product or service that we have in mind to match with the job that needs to be done? What is the painkiller that we offer them? What is a painkiller that we feel like is helping us to get this job done? So for example, if they feel like the pain is too much effort, are we able with our product and service to reduce the effort? If they feel like it takes too much time, are we able to reduce the time? Whatever it is to help them to kill the pain. Then we can have the gain created. What are the benefits that we offer that they're looking for in order to get this job done? What are the benefits and maybe bonuses that we offer them to get the job done? So we need to figure out, also on this side, through customer discoveries, interviews, one by one, what is really in favor of our future customer. Is the product and service that we have in mind matching with the job to be done? Is the solution that we think could help them really a solution for them? Is the painkiller relevant for their pain? Is the gain creator helping them to create enough gain? Good luck, get out of the building and find it out.